Hey Rax, it's been a minute, been a while. Okay, here we have today. Me and Babe whipped up some jerk chicken hot dogs. So we put some onions, sweet pepper, yellow and red, and I'm gonna let you go ahead and look at it. And I hope all is well on your end. Jerk chicken hot dog. Let's go to the video, Rax. Hey Rax, welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back. Listen, this seems so boring saying it without J. But here we go. My name is Tran. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Listen, whatever you see, it's okay for you to share it. Do turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, guys, give this video a thumbs up for this jerk chicken hot dog I'm about to devour. And like Babe always said, if you have nothing good to say, do not say anything. Alright. I said grace after before the video started, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I want to taste it real quick and then we're gonna talk. So I'm gonna show it to you. I don't know if you guys could see the chicken, the jerk chicken breast in the middle. Alright. Here, take the first bite, because I never do that. Okay. Weirdest thing, Rax, it tastes just like a hot dog. Except with the jerk on it. Okay, Rax, so today I'm going to tell you guys how crazy the pandemic has made me. I don't know if you're like me. Any given day, I don't know what day it is. This is good. So for instance, I thought today was Friday. Turns out we was just at Wednesday. I was rushing the week. Okay. Some days I don't know if I'm depressed or happy, sad, frustrated. And then also forces you to evaluate everything around you, especially if you was one of the persons who was on lockdown by yourself, you know. It will force you to evaluate all your friends, your family. Your lovers. And then, if you're like me, you realize that 85% of people you talk to, you and them have nothing in common. So the onion and stuff that Babe put on the top of this, it is really, really good. She added in I think vinegar. I like the way she do that. So it's kind of heavier than a hot dog because of the chicken breast. But it's still really, really good. What do you do when you realize 85% of the people that you talk to have nothing in common with you? Tell you what I did. I started cutting everybody off. I'm pretty sure they think I was losing my mind. Guys, I told you about my teeth. I'm sorry it's too for me. But in reality, no, I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy because technically, you know, my whole entire lifespan, I keep on having good news and keep wondering who to share it with apart from Jay. I have nobody to share my good news with apart from Jay. So, like, come on, I don't want that around me if I can't share my good news with you. And then at that, when I share my good news with you, you do not clap the loudest in the room. How do you handle calling off majority of your friends and no one cares? I'm starting to think that there was space keepers, you know, empty space keepers. So me spending time with myself in the pandemic, I realized the best journeys are the one that's taken alone. I'm going to hit half of one. Only because I'm taking so long to chew. So, I made my lover my best friend. There she go. My lover, my best friend. During my quest in the pandemic, I realized people are self-centered, selfish. And I guess you would say survival of the fittest. I've also learned that no man is an island. Look, comment below and tell me, let us know, what did the pandemic do for you? What did it open your eyes to, or whatever it did? Comment below, let me know. It opened my eyes to fake friends. So Rex, maybe the moral of the story is, you know, I think most of the majority of my life, I had bad judgment in people. That's what I think it was, bad judgment in people. So here's the thing. I am not blaming the people who I associate myself with. I'm actually blaming myself for the people who I associate myself with. Because sometimes what you see is what you get. And then what you see, you don't want to get it, so you look beyond that to see, I guess, good stuff or whatever, but sometimes, If you was alone during the pandemic, I'm sorry. That was not a good time for nobody. I had Jody every day and our son every day. And it still was not a good time for me. Because the worst time to try to find yourself when you're kind of lost from working so hard, being caught up in working and burying yourself in work because you have to prove a point, all of that good stuff that you do. In the process of that, in the process of me doing that, I gave up something, which was myself. So during the pandemic, I found myself. It's so weird. So whatever you're going through, whatever it is, doesn't matter. It is going to be okay. It is going to be fine. Those are babes' words, but it's the truth. You cannot have anxiety towards something if you do not know the end result. That's just you really setting up yourself. And I can say that because I've been through it. So guys, here we go. I hope you enjoy our little conversation. Don't forget to comment below and let us know, did the pandemic change anything about you? Did it make you a better person, a more understanding person? Are you better at communicating with your spouse? Are you better at listening to your kids? Whatever it did. So, this is where I leave you. And it was so good. This is where I leave you until we meet again, guys. Have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye, Rex.